My focus is on you. Is it location or charm at the top of your home searching list? This exquisite brick twin in the desirable subdivision of the West Ward has it all. Entering into the home, you will notice special touches throughout the home. Maintenance-free porch decking, stone entry wall, cedar-lined coat closet, spacious great room, dental crown molding pillars accents enhance the appeal. Great flow and cleverly concealed ductwork for the high-velocity central air conditioning throughout. First floor powder room with copper fixtures is impressive. Prepare to be wowed in the beautiful custom kitchen with 22-handle cherry cabinets, 7 drawers with under and overhead dimming lights, pantry with pull-out shelves. Natural light floods the morning room with vaulted ceiling, skylights and frosted windows for privacy. Pampering continues on the second floor with a full bathroom, a bedroom office and a master with attached dressing room designed to please. The 3-road floor is also suited to be a master bedroom. Plan to entertain guests on the 12x20 patio or hideaway as you step outside to the newly added 12x23 season Florida room, wired with electric, cable, ceiling fan, carefree, maintenance-free, private. Can you picture relaxing in the hot tub at the end of the day?